Welcome to a journey into the most mysterious part of our planet, the deep ocean. Beneath the tranquil waves, a different realm exists, a world that might seem more alien than anything we could conceive in science fiction. This is Earth's unseen world, the deep ocean. It is a place where the sun's rays falter and fail, a realm of perpetual twilight where bizarre creatures roam. Here, life has adapted to an environment that is as harsh as it is dark. Luminous fishes dart through the inky blackness, their bodies adorned with lights brighter than the stars in the night sky. Colossal squids, the leviathans of this alien world, lurk silently in the depths. From glowing fishes to giants lurking in the abyss, the deep ocean is home to a world beyond our imagination. Yet life thrives here in conditions that seem impossible. The deep ocean is a world of extremes. It's dark, it's cold, and the pressure is immense, equivalent to 50 jumbo jets piled on top of you. Yet life has found a way to survive and even flourish here. It's a testament to the adaptability of life on Earth. Take hydrothermal vents, for instance. These are underwater geysers that spew mineral-rich water heated to boiling point by the Earth's molten core. You'd think nothing could survive here, but instead these vents are teeming with life. From tube worms that are 6 feet long to ghostly white crabs and bacteria that thrive on toxic chemicals, these vents support a rich and diverse ecosystem. These hydrothermal vents, spewing hot minerals, create oases in the deep dark, hosting unique ecosystems. They are a testament to life's tenacity and resilience, showing us that life can adapt and thrive even in the most extreme conditions. The mysteries of the deep are slowly being unraveled by science. A realm once thought to be barren and lifeless is now known to be teeming with an array of strange and wonderful creatures. Each expedition into the abyss is like a journey to another planet, revealing alien landscapes and creatures that seem to defy the laws of biology. Scientists are using cutting-edge technology to delve deeper than ever before. With each dive, they encounter new species, uncovering the incredible diversity of life that exists in the deep sea's extreme conditions. These discoveries are not just fascinating, they're reshaping our understanding of life on Earth. From glowing jellies to giant squid, the deep sea is home to some of the most extraordinary creatures on our planet. Each one tells a story of survival and adaptation in a world far removed from our own. Each expedition into the deep brings new discoveries, redefining our understanding of life on Earth. This unseen world isn't just fascinating, it's crucial to our existence. The deep ocean, a realm less explored than the surface of Mars, could provide solutions to some of humanity's most pressing challenges. Hidden in the inky blackness, under crushing pressures, are organisms with unique biological properties. These creatures could hold the key to breakthroughs in medical science, offering new treatments for diseases that have long plagued us. But the deep ocean is also a treasure chest of resources. Minerals and metals for our technology lie in abundance on the ocean floor. However, extracting them through deep-sea mining could disrupt this delicate ecosystem, with consequences we're only just beginning to understand. The deep ocean is not a separate world. It's part of our world, interconnected with everything else. From potential medical breakthroughs to the impact of deep-sea mining, the deep ocean's secrets affect us all.